Here are some quick ways to find a Verizon Corporate Store near you. First, go to the Verizon website, www.verizon.com. Then click on Stores from the top menu, or you can go directly to www.verizon.com/stores. Enter your zip code, city, or state, and select from the drop-down list. You'll now see a list of Verizon stores near you. If you want to filter only corporate, company-owned stores, click on the drop-down arrow. Then click on the Filters button and select Verizon Company Store under Store Type. Scroll down in the pop-up and apply the changes. That's it. Now you'll see that the Verizon Company Store filter is applied. You can check store details like the address, distance from your location, phone number, and working hours. If you want to know more, click on Verizon Details to see store photos, schedule an appointment, and more. These quick tips help you find the right company store with all available services before you go. That's it. Hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and drop a comment if you've got any questions.